Hey guys, it's Melissa here with Web of Creativity, and I'm sharing with you my Gatefold mini album in a box project. And I used a lot of Graphic 45 products, including the box and the paper collection. So what I have here is a Graphic 45 deep square matchbook box. And then I decorated it using the Graphic 45 Garden Goddess paper collection. So I have kits and tutorials on my blog, www.webofcreativity.net. So this is a preview video. I do have a construction video and a kit video that shows you what all comes into the kit. But look at those flowers. So those flowers I made using the Graphic 45 die. It's a flower die. The clock's a different die set, also Graphic 45. So I used the flowers and the leaves for the set. I also used the clock for the ring around the closure piece. Alright, so then let me take this guy out. And I decorated the inside of this box. And I got the door pulls that are Graphic 45. Oh, and then the outside of the box. Okay, so this album is 6 1/4 by 6 inches. And it's a Gatefold album. You can see my pages in there. So we open it up, slowly pull open. I have two sides that are decorated. So this is a pretty easy album. It's just pockets. So we got pockets with tags. And I have 4 different matting styles for the pages. So the tutorial has all 4 directions on how I did the mats for them. So I got this guy that just has a little strip on both sides. And this one where it's only has that solid color, and then I punched the top. Now the punch I used is a Martha Stewart punch. It's called Arbor Loop. And then the back area here, I just fussy cut out the gorgeous goddess with the clock. And that's it. So again, I have tutorial and kits on my blog, www.webofcreativity.net. And check out the construction video if you want to make this beautiful album. Alright, thank you for watching.